$1,000 a day may seem impossible, but in this video, I will show you how simple it is to use this new website and get paid again and again. And as soon as right here, they accept people from all over the world. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. Now there are two big mistakes that complete newbies make when signing up to this platform. And by making those mistakes, they immediately get banned and they never make any money. So if you want to see how to avoid those mistakes to actually make this work, then you will have to watch every second of this tutorial all the way until the end. And I think it's definitely worth it to watch a 10-minute long tutorial that might get you some life-changing income than to be lazy and click off and never make money. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. Anyways, let's begin with today's tutorial. In order to start making up to $1,000 a day using this platform, you will first of all need to go over to a website called Kraken. This is over at kraken.com. This is another cryptocurrency exchange marketplace. This is a place where people come to buy cryptocurrencies. They invest their money into cryptocurrency right here. Now don't worry, you will not have to do that. You will not have to spend any money and you will not have to invest anything into this. You literally need $0 for this, and it's completely beginner friendly if you follow all the stats from this video. Now, cryptocurrency is something that everyone's been talking about lately for the past couple of months. I mean, even my grandma has a bit of it. And by the time I'm recording this video, some cryptocurrency is worth almost $60,000 according to CoinDesk. So people are spending tens of thousands of dollars on cryptocurrency exchange marketplaces like Kraken.com. But what has that to do with you? Well, you will see exactly what. For now, I just wanted to come over to Kraken.com and explore it. Go to the website and see exactly how this exchange marketplace works. Now don't worry, you will not have to create and sell different products. It's not going to be that complicated, and you don't need a website for this. But all you have to do is once you come over to Kraken.com, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right underneath the About section, you have affiliates right here. So it's going to be a really small button that is going to say affiliates. I want you to click on that. Then it will take you over to this affiliate page right here. And as soon as I will show you which mistakes newbies make that gets them banned from the website, and because of that mistake, they are not able to make any money at all, not even a single dollar. So I want to avoid those mistakes. So stay tuned to see which mistakes they are. Now right here, you can see that you will be making 20% of the trading fees collected from clients. So when you refer someone that spends $1,000 on this website, and trust me, that's a no-brainer, because people are literally spending tens of thousands of dollars on this website. But even if you refer someone that spends $1,000, $200 goes to you for absolutely free and completely passively. And if you stay with me all the way until the end of this video, I will give you an absolutely free traffic source where you can find millions of people that will be willing to start using Kraken.com and to start investing their money with Kraken.com through your affiliate link. And most importantly, you will be making up to $1,000 per referral, up to $1,000 per each person that you refer to this website. You can refer one person a day and make up to $1,000 every single day. 2 people, that's up to $2,000 every single day with this absolutely free platform. Now you will just need to scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see this application from right here. So click here to become an affiliate. Now this is going to be really important. Once you land on this page, once again, you will be paid up to $1,000 for each person that you refer to this website. and I will show you how you can refer to thousands of them. But first of all, I want to make sure you will not make the same mistake as all of those newbies, because I want you to start making money with this website, so pay close attention. You will now need to enter a full valid name in these two boxes. You will enter your valid email address in this box. You will create a unique username for your accounts. That's all the basic stuff. You're just signing up to their affiliate program. You will enter some basic demographic information about yourself, and you will also answer the country. And as you can see here, they do accept people from all over the world. So if your country is on the list, then chances are it will work for you too. And they have all the countries right here. So just find yours, select it, and enter. And once again, some basic demographic information about yourself. And now here comes the crucial part. Here, you must not make a mistake, or otherwise you will wind up looking like that guy that made no money at all with their affiliate program. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So first of all, they will ask you for your partner type, and you will select the partner type right here. But the thing is, if you select offline or other, you will immediately get a decline, because any applications where the partner type is offline or other will be automatically declined. If you do that, you will basically get banned from their affiliate program, and you will never be able to make money with Kraken.com. And trust me, you will lose a great opportunity. So make sure you select anything else but offline and other. You can select emails, search engine, marketing, loyalty and rewards, coupon deals, or whatever you prefer, but not offline or other. That's the first mistake you must avoid. And the second thing which you will need to pay close attention to is the social networks. You want to add some of your social media accounts, but you want to make sure that your social media account is actually set to public. If it's set to private, you will never get accepted. You will immediately get auto decline, and you will never be able to make money with this. So what I highly recommend you do is either create an Instagram account or Instagram page, or just create a simple YouTube channel. And don't worry, you will not have to publish anything on there. You don't need followers, you don't need subscribers, you don't need views or whatsoever. You literally just need that account just as a proof that it's a public account and that they should accept you into their affiliate program. So that's really important. Just select social networks and add some of your social media profiles that are set to public. And once you've filled up all the information about yourself and you have successfully avoided all those mistakes, you will just scroll a little bit down and you will hit sign up right here. Once you hit sign up, your application will be submitted, and you will just need to wait for a couple of hours or sometimes even a couple of business days to get accepted into their affiliate program. So you can grab your affiliate link from which you can make up to $1,000 per person you refer to Kraken.com. And now finally, once you grab your affiliate link, you will just need to start using this free traffic source with over 1 billion monthly visits. Over 1 billion people visit this platform on a regular monthly basis, and you can use it as a traffic source for your Kraken.com affiliate link, so you can make up to $1,000 per each person that signs up and start investing through your affiliate link. The platform in question is Reddit, and this is over at reddit.com. This is a community-based website with hundreds of thousands of different small communities with targeted people, with people talking about a specific topic. For example, if you search how to buy cryptocurrency, that's going to give you all these people discussing how they can buy it, and you can do the same for any other cryptocurrency. And there will always be new people asking the same question again and again. If you don't know any other cryptocurrency, well, simply go over to Google and find all the other cryptocurrencies that people might search for on Reddit. Like I can search for which cryptocurrency to invest in now, and that's going to give me all of these different suggestions, like I can use other cryptocurrencies and so on. And I can go back to Reddit and I can search for like how to buy this type of cryptocurrency, and then find people that are interested in buying it. And once you find all those people, you can basically reply to all of them, and you will never run out of people to reply to, because you have all these different cryptocurrencies and you have all these people asking these questions again and again. New questions coming in all the time, so just sign up to reddit.com for absolutely free. It's gonna take you less than 60 seconds and search for different keywords about cryptocurrency, which you find in Google, and just find people that are interested into that and start replying with your affiliate link. Provide them with your affiliate link and they will be thankful because you're providing them with such a solution to their problem. They're already searching for how to invest and how to actually buy cryptocurrency. And now you're just giving them a solution, which is your affiliate link, which is going to make you up to $1,000 per person. That's a lot of people and a lot of potential referrals to Kraken.com. Remember, you don't need a lot of them. You literally need one person a day to make $1,000 every single day using Kraken's affiliate program. Don't immediately push your affiliate link, but try to connect a little bit, become an authority in that community, in that Reddit group, and then start giving your affiliate link over there. And all the other people that are also searching for how to buy and where to buy cryptocurrency will be able to see your affiliate link as well, because it's a public comment. It's not only gonna be for that one person, but it's gonna be a reply for all other people searching for the same solution. So you're providing them with a solution with your affiliate link. You can make up to $1,000 per each person. This has massive potential, so go out there and find as many people as you possibly can on Reddit.com or on any other social media platform, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. So I really hope you did get some value out of this video. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.